All right, some of you guys remember this example from class. I'm going to go over it again just so you have this as a resource. If you really like these videos, please subscribe. It helps me out even just a little bit, all right? But let's look at this. The difference of 5 times a number. So difference we know is subtraction, right? So we're going to show a subtraction. It's the difference of 5 times a number and 9. So we have 5 times a number. I'm going to use x, and you guys seem to like x. We used it a lot in class. 5 times a number and 9. That's the difference, all right? So we're going to subtract those two. But not only that, but we also know that this is equal, so is means it's equal to 8 less than a number. This is where we ran into some huge problems during class, right? Is it 8 minus x, or is it x minus 8? And so we kind of had an example on this, right? Let's go ahead and break away from this one real quick. Let's go ahead and say that, let's go ahead and just put in 8 less than 10, just like you see here, 8 less than 10, right? Well, if I had 8 less than 10, what would my value be? You guys know that that's 2, right? Well, how did you get that? Did you do 8 minus 10, or did you do 10 minus 8? And of course, most of you guys know that you would have to do 10 minus 8, because 8 less than 10 is 2. So it's the same thing with this, but instead of 10, it's just some number that we don't know. It's the number, and it didn't say what it was. So in this example, we would use the x. I hope that kind of helps you guys figure out how to use that in the equation. Let's go ahead and put it in. All right, so I have that x minus 8. Pretty much everyone that was in class said that they could do this very easily. It's just a matter of writing it in. So I hope this helps you guys out, okay? Let's go ahead and just finish solving. I'm going to do a one step to get us the coefficient equals some value. Let's go ahead and show that. All right, so this is what I have after subtracting x from both sides and adding 9 to both sides. Final thing I'll do is just divide both sides by 4. And I have x equals 1/4. Some of you prefer the decimal, which is fine. It's just a 0.25. There you go. Now you could double check this. Again, you would just use the words. The difference of 5 times the number. So 5 times 0.25 minus the 9. What would that give you? And then you do the same thing here. 8 less than 0.25 would give you some value. Looks like it would be a negative 7.75. All right, and that's the way you would check that. Again, I hope this helps. If it really does, you guys, please subscribe. There'll be more videos on the way to help you with this class and maybe your other future math classes.